Welcome to another episode of my From the Archives series. These are the best dashcam clips from 2016 and 2017 that are no longer publicly available on my channel. This is going to be some close calls, crazy drivers, the usual good stuff.
What the fuck, dude? Come on, fuck.
This clip was in my old Saturn that didn't have ABS. This is probably the worst lockup I ever had, with these two deer just hanging out in the road.
Whoa.
Me and everybody else in Portland this day got caught in an unexpected snowstorm, and as I was trying to head home up this relatively steep icy hill, I realized there was stuck traffic ahead and I was not going to make it much further, so I decided to do a quick little handbrake turn. Fortunately, just barely enough room here.
Go straight! Oh wow, that light was red and that guy just went straight through it. What the hell? Bad idea.
destination is on the left.
Jesus Christ, dude. What an idiot. Jesus Christ. Oh, man. Holy shit.
Subaru in the far right lane decides to get out of the exit lane at the last possible second right in front of the semi-truck. The semi did not want to let them in, but they end up cutting in anyway, and the semi gives one of the longest honks I've ever heard.
August 5th. Space is limited. Code Fellows PD.
Oh, jeez.
This box truck makes 2 consecutive turns from the wrong lane and without a turn signal. I would understand a wide turn if the truck was a little bit larger, but I don't think a wide turn was necessary in either of these cases.
You were not in the turn lane, sir. You were in the straight only lane. Yes. I was in the turn lane. It's a one-way street.
Thank you for watching. That's going to be it for the crazy clips and bad drivers. The remainder of the video is just going to be some nice scenic footage taken from 2016 and 2017 along with the rest of the clips in this compilation. This particular area we're driving is an old farm property that was being converted into a new nature preserve. I don't know if it's open to the public yet, but we were doing some volunteer work and were able to drive on the property and kind of deep back into the woods here. This is one of 49 remaining covered bridges in Oregon, according to Wikipedia. This is one of the many winding roads that goes from the West Hills directly into downtown Portland with some very beautiful views. And lastly, just a nice little drive over the Burnside Bridge with the big pink building, which is the tallest building in Portland, in the background there.